Hi guys. Hello with our brand new fault solution video. The working principles of all smartwatches are the same. Regardless of the brand and model of your watch, I would be very happy if you write your questions and thoughts in the comments.
When water gets inside the device, you should follow these steps to avoid making the problem worse. In this video, we will show you how to solve the problem of malfunctioning and not opening as a result of liquid contact H past the water fault, which we can encounter in many electronic devices and smartwatches.
The brand of our watch can be AppleWatch, Haylou, honorband, Honor, Huawei, Amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. Our watches may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. In this video, we will talk about a problem that many watch users face or may encounter. Then it was the turn of the back cover. The back cover should be removed gently. We will open the back cover by freeing it from its nails. It should not be forced when opening, otherwise we may damage the nails. In order not to damage the keys, we should start to turn on the reverse side of the volume and on-off keys. In order to reach and detect the defective part of our device, we first disassemble the device. Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple.
I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. If this video doesn't help you fix your watch, watch our Step 2 and Step 3 videos. I look forward to your questions in the comments. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. When water got into the device, the first action to be taken is to disconnect the battery of the device and terminate the electric current. In addition, the device should never be plugged into the charger. We take out our battery and check it, and there is no heating or swelling in our battery. I think the problem is elsewhere. As a result of liquid contact, you can see the rust and oxidation on the screws of our device. I'm trying to scrape a little bit, but I can't succeed. Now I'm going to disassemble the motherboard and clean the motherboard with contact cleaner.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
After our device waits for a while on charge, we try again. And you should see the result.
You can remove our battery from the direction you see with the help of the separator and insert the new battery. It was a very successful work. By following the steps I did in my video, We can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. The most important of the steps we need to try is to clean the oxide and try to repair your device by squeezing the oxidized motherboard with contact cleaner and lubricant. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. When we clean the oxides in many parts of our device, we repair many malfunctions, disassemble our device as you can see in the video and follow me to perform the same steps together. As of now I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection, we connected with the adapter, and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course we will not give up.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.